Welcome back to another quick tutorial on how you can simply copy file from your flash drive into your PC with easy. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to unlock your flash drive and open it up just like so. So what you need to do is to pay attention to the mouth of the flash drive. So what you need to do right here is to make sure you insert the mouth in your USB port on your PC. So I'm going to simply insert it right here, just like so. Once you insert, in a few seconds, a window is going to pop up on your screen. But some cases, if a window like this is not pop up on your screen, you have to locate the flash drive you just insert on your PC. You have to locate it, and for you to locate, it is a very simple step to take. What you need to do is to go to this PC right here. When you click on this PC, then it takes you right here. Then you have two drive right here. So the first one here is your window drive with the window logo. The second one here is the flash drive you insert on your PC. So click on it and press enter. Then it's open up like so. Then you can select on the folder, click on enter again. Everything here is going to open up. Now, how do we copy file from this flash drive into our PC? It's a very simple step. One of the first things we can do right here is to select on the file that you want to copy. Let's say, for instance, I want to copy this particular mockup right here, PSD file. So this is a zip folder right here, okay? So for me to copy it, I will simply right click on it. After you highlight it, then I'll make sure I copy. Then once I copy it, I'm going to minimize right here, and I'll come to my PC environment right here. I will right click again, and I make sure I go to new. Then I go to folder. So this time around, I'm going to create a new folder for this particular file. So we want to name it as mockup transfer. So you can name it whatever name of your choice. So I call it mockup transfer. So I can simply open the file. I can simply open the folder and open up like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to right click and make sure I go to paste. Now the file has been pasted right here. It's that simple. Now, after you have copied the file from your USB flash drive into your PC folder, next thing you want to do is to see how we can safely remove or eject the flash drive in order to protect the flash drive and some of the file we have in there. So this is very much important. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. So for you to eject or remove the flash drive safely, so what you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on your show hidden icons, and this is going to pump up. From your hidden icons right here, navigate to USB icon. Right click on that and make sure you click on eject USB. Just like so. Once you eject, this is going to pump up, and then this simply means that you are free to remove the USB file without any stress. The next thing you want to do is to click simply eject USB file and cover it back just like so. It's that simple. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.